Been with Craig since 2005, and even earlier as that, as early as 1998. Hey, listen, we've got something very special coming up on November 16th through the 18th, and that is the Ultimate Admin, OSA, and ISA workshop. This is one of my favorite trainings, and we've been doing these for years. Craig has, and Todd. It is the best training for your team, for your OSAs, for your ISAs, and your admin, hands down. I'll tell you how strongly I feel about it. This isn't a suggestion. This is mandatory. On these dates, the 16th through the 18th, not only do you need to be on it as a team leader, but your OSAs, your ISAs, and your admins have to be there. Not a suggestion, mandatory. It will change their life as far as these things go on in this business is concerned. Now, what's going to happen is on day 3, I'm going to have the privilege to take you through the ultimate seller benefit presentation. And this is going to be the listing presentation all the way through the close. So you won't want to miss it. I look forward to seeing everybody there. I think we can all agree that the energy and the effort that's been put in by Craig and Todd and the whole team and this great community has been amazing to take us through like one of the craziest real estate years I think any of us have ever been through. As a matter of fact, I think we would all agree that in 2015, if you guessed where you would be in 2020, this wasn't it. Yet, because of the training, because of the insight, because of the hard work and fortitude of this program, many of us have better years than we did last year. So I look forward to seeing everybody on the OSA, ISA, and admin training, November 16th through the 18th. Again, it's not a suggestion, it's mandatory. You want to get your team trained? This is the way to do it. Look forward to seeing you then.